it's me, Martin, and in this video I will share with you 9 tips and tricks for your OnePlus 9 smartphone. So let's get started. Alright, there's so many awesome features on this phone that we have to keep it simple. So here are my top 9 features that I love most. Number 9. Swipe down for notifications. One thing that I couldn't get used to is when swiping down from the middle of the display is that it opens the OnePlus shelf. There's an easy way to fix that though. Long press the wallpaper and choose Home Settings. Now tap on Swipe down to access and choose Notifications and Quick Settings from the list. Number 8. Canvas. OnePlus has this beta feature called Canvas, which turns your photo of a person into an ambient always-on display and looks like this. Pretty cool, right? Now, to enable this, head over to Settings, Customization and select Canvas. Choose a photo, scale if needed, and tap to preview to see what it will look like. Number 7. App Locker. Okay, now this one might be a little bit too obvious, but I really like this feature. It is super easy and handy to lock certain apps for whatever reason. Just go to Settings, scroll down to Utilities and select App Locker. From here you can add any app you wish to lock. Number 6. Automatic system updates. I am lazy and I just really have to force myself to update the phone, and I'd rather be pushed to do so. Now in the developer options you can do so. Search for automatic system updates in the settings menu and turn on this feature. It is as simple as that. We're almost halfway the video, and if you like it so far, why don't you give it a thumbs up, or maybe share this video with a friend who owns a OnePlus smartphone. It would really mean the world to me, and yes, it also helps to spread this video. Number 5. Game settings. If you are a die-hard gamer, you've probably figured this out by yourself. But changing some settings is definitely, I'm gonna make it a game changer. Now, not all of them though. Some of them are more like a convenient tool to amplify your gaming, but I do appreciate the overview of your gaming statistics. There's a whole bunch of other stuff as well, and I like that I can easily hide gaming apps in one app to have a cleaner app drawer. And secondly, whenever I'm in a gaming mood, I'd rather not to be disturbed at all, so the advanced D&D settings from the Pro Gaming mode are a nice addition. Number 4. Bedtime charging mode. If you've ever fast charged your phone wirelessly, then you know that this spinning sound, the whirring sound from the fan, is annoyingly present when you're trying to sleep. Therefore, if you're using a OnePlus its wireless charging stand, you can enable bedtime charging mode. This switches the whirring fan off and falling asleep is less noisy. Go to Settings, click on Battery, tap on Bedtime mode and now toggle it on to schedule and choose the time you want to activate it from. And here we are with my top 3 picks. If you have any tips or tricks that you would like to share or are not included in this video, let us know in the comments below after watching this video. Number 3. A more accurate display color. In order to get the most accurate display, we need to change some settings. So go to Settings, tap on Display and tap on Advanced. Here you can also change the refresh rate or hide the front camera, but if you tap on Screen Calibration, we can modify the display settings. Set it to Advanced, select AMOLED Wide Gamut and move the bar ever so slightly to Cold. Number 2. A lockdown mode. If you're ever in a situation that you need to hand over your phone or leave it behind somewhere and you don't want them to be able to sniff around through your biometric data, for example, quickly put your phone in lockdown mode. Hold down the power button and press lockdown. In case you don't have it over there, go to the settings menu, tap on Security and Lock Screen, and then tap on Lock Screen Passcode and enable Show Lockdown option. And here is number 1, quick access to smart home devices. I have a lot of smart home devices here around us, and some I use more than the others, but most of them have automation rules. Instead of opening the app or calling Google whenever I need one that isn't with some automation rules, hold down the power button and you can control them easily from the quick access menu. It's even possible to add extra controls or other apps that have a smart home feature, like the Mi Home app from Xiaomi. Super handy if you ask me, and definitely deserves to be ranked first in this top 9 list for your OnePlus 9 smartphone, because you really have your smart home available at your fingertips now. Alright, there we have it, 9 tips and tricks for your OnePlus smartphone. In case you haven't got a OnePlus phone yet, I left a link to them in the video's description, so go check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see all of you in the next one.